Hello everyone, welcome to One Life Investments, and this is another video. This is me, your host Prajwal, and in today's video we're going to do a quick overview on Shapeshift and the Fox token. So let's get started. Before we start, just a disclaimer that none of the information mentioned in this video is financial advice, and you should not make any purchase decisions based on any information from this video, and I will not be responsible or liable for any of the financial damage that you might face after watching this video. This video is completely for educational purposes and solely based on my research, and this is nothing more than educational material. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up as it helps out a lot. If you have any questions or if you think I've missed out any information on this, as I'm still researching this project, please let me know in the comments below, and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more crypto videos like this. So a little bit of background about Shapeshift. So Shapeshift is a global crypto trading platform which was founded in 2014 by Eric Voris. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right, in Switzerland. So it started with a goal to become a frictionless trading platform without any custody and protecting the user's privacy. But as we all know that the popularity of these cryptocurrencies, the regulators started to creep in, and their goal to be not regulated started to fade a little, if you want to say it like that. Throughout all these years, it has gone through a lot of hurdles to get here today, and I'm not going to go into every detail, but I will link to an article in the description that will guide you to an article that can give you way more information if you like to go deep dive into this project. So initially it was a crypto trading platform, and then they integrated a DEX which actually replaced their own trading platform last year, and things started to get interesting from then. Users could trade non-wrapped native tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum without any trading fees and at a high volume. So as you know, on Uniswap, which is a DEX but is built on Ethereum, so you can only trade tokens or cryptocurrencies that are built on ERC20 or Ethereum. But now on Shapeshift you could trade Bitcoin, and you can trade Ethereum and any other native coins directly without any trading fees, and also at a really high volume. So that's a quick background on what Shapeshift is and now why it is coming back to life. So this project has been around 2014, so it has been around for more than 6 years. Why is there a sudden increase of interest in Shapeshift past couple of days? If you haven't heard about it like me, I came to know about it a couple of days ago. Well, some of us might have heard about it, but on July 15th, the company made it public that they're going to go dilute their corporate structure, and it will be completely decentralized, and it will move towards being a DAO. Alright, so in layman's terms, imagine a really big crypto exchange that you need to do KYC, which is called Know Your Customer, where you will need to provide your passport or your driver license or any sort of personal identification document before you can trade, or before you can trade in high volumes, where they charge you ridiculous trading fees, and also on top of that they can freeze your account anytime and worse. And I know most of us been there. They stop trading when a coin is pumping, or they don't want you to sell, and if you are trading a lot, or if you are trying to withdraw a huge amount, then they will freeze your account, and you'll have to go through a different verification process to get your funds. And if you look at Shapeshift and the Shapeshift's recent announcement, it's going to be a completely decentralized cryptocurrency trading exchange that no one controls, and you don't need KYC and any other BS, or there's no one centrally controlling that exchange or any of the features that the exchange has, meaning no trading fees, there's no one to turn off the trading, or freeze account, or any of the issues that we face when we use big centralized exchanges, for example Binance or any other exchange that you might be using. So what exactly is their plan? The company is going decentralized and dissolving their corporate structure, but one step at a time. They have a native Fox token that was never sold to anyone. Like if we have ICOs where the coins are offered to initial investors, so the Fox token has never gone through that, but it was actually handed out as a reward for trading on the platform and also incentivizing users to hold tokens, as if you hold Fox tokens, it allows you to not pay any trading fees, or on top of that receive a certain portion of trading fees back every month if you happen to pay a trading fee. So depending on the number of Fox tokens you have, you get a threshold of amount that you don't have to pay trading fees for, depending on your trading volume. Again, if you'd like to know more about the trading, about how the trading works on Shapeshift, I'll leave a link to that as well in the description, so you can read that in more detail. And so what happens to the employees and stakeholders are they've already received a large grant of these Fox tokens, which will unlock over a period of 3 years. So there's no clear time frame on how many tokens will be released and over what period of time. All we know is it has an unlocking period of 3 years. So over 3 years, for example, if I get 50,000 tokens, I'll receive those tokens in small chunks throughout 3 years. Okay, so now we don't know how many I'll receive or when I'll receive a certain portion. Out of the total supply, 24% of the total supply has been kept aside for the Shapeshift DAO treasury, and any unclaimed airdrop tokens that are not claimed will be added to this treasury on top of that after 3 months. That brings us to the airdrop part. So what airdrop am I talking about? So Shapeshift is claiming that their Fox token airdrop is going to be the biggest and widely distributed airdrop in the history of cryptocurrency, and it for sure looks like one. Actually, over 60% of the total Fox supply has been allocated for this airdrop, and if you have traded on the platform previously, you are eligible for this airdrop. They have also mentioned on their blog that users of Uniswap, SushiSwap, Matcha, OX, 1inch, and few other trading and few other dexes are also eligible for this airdrop, but I don't know what are the conditions one has to fulfill to get this airdrop. But an article related to this airdrop is in the description as well. So I've tried to check my airdrop try to check if I am eligible for the airdrop, but unfortunately I was not. So if you want to check that as well, it's in the description as well. So where can you go and purchase these Fox tokens? Number one is Uniswap. Number two is Shapeshift's own website. So I would recommend using Shapeshift, as you get 10 free tokens when you create a wallet and use it for the first time. For now, you do have to create an account with an email address, but that's it. You don't have to provide any more information, none of the phone numbers, addresses, or any other KYC. I'm not sure if they're going to remove that feature in the future, since they are completely decentralized. There is a referral link to create an account and claim your Fox tokens. And yes, since it's a referral link, I will get a little bit of kickback on it as well. I will be creating a dedicated video on how to buy the Fox token on Uniswap and the Shapeshift platform as well. So please make sure you subscribe if you want to watch that. Hit the bell icon so that you would notify once that's up. And also I'm still learning this platform, so if you think I've missed anything, please make sure to leave in the comments, and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful. If you would like to discuss something about this project, please leave a comment, as I try to reply to each and every one of your comments. All right, so thank you for being here, and you have a nice day. Thank you.